How do I use the NFC reader on iPhone 11?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn about a really cool feature on your iPhone 11, how to use the NFC reader. NFC, or Near Field Communication, is a technology that allows your phone to communicate with other devices when they're very close together. This can be used for various purposes like making payments, reading NFC tags, and more. So let's get started.
What is NFC and why should I use it?
NFC, or Near Field Communication, is a technology that allows for short-range communication between compatible devices. If you've ever used Apple Pay or Google Pay, you've used NFC. But NFC isn't just for payments. It can be used for everything from reading NFC tags on posters or products to pairing devices with a simple tap.
How do I enable NFC on my iPhone 11?
Before you can use NFC, you'll need to make sure it's enabled on your iPhone. Here's how. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap Control Center. 3. Scroll down to More Controls and tap on the plus next to NFC Tag Reader. Your NFC reader is now added to your control center, and you're ready to start using it.
How do I use the NFC reader on my iPhone 11?
Now that you have NFC enabled, you can start using it. Here's how. 1. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right of your screen. 2. Tap on the NFC Tag Reader icon. 3. Hold your iPhone near the NFC tag. Your iPhone will show a notification that it's ready to read the NFC tag. 4. Tap the notification to see the information stored in the tag. And that's it. That's how you use the NFC reader on your iPhone 11. It's a simple and efficient way to interact with your surroundings. Whether you're making payments, pairing devices, or reading tags, NFC is a versatile tool that can make your life easier. We hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring your device, and you'll be surprised at how much it can do.